brilliant gym. I come here. I've been coming here for. I mean, I've been working with Zareen for many, for very long now, and she's a wonderful trainer. Great place, and I'm so happy that she's opened this place because ज़्यादा यहाँ ऐसे जगह मिलता ही नहीं because generally gyms रहते हैं जहाँ पे it's very impersonal. This is a very personalized training, very personalized attention, and she's wonderful. She's a wonderful person, and she has a absolutely wonderful staff working for her, and I'm really happy that she's done this. I think fit होने के लिए एक अच्छा trainer बहुत ज़रूरी है, और Zareen Watson जो है, she's a fantastic trainer. उनका जो knowledge है about the craft is fantastic. I totally like her, and I work out under her because she's the kind of a person who doesn't make you go through shortcuts. She believes, in my belief, that is, if you work out, you will look good, you will be healthy in a longer run.
Actually, my wife Manisha has been coming to her since a couple of years now, and I started coming to Zareen since November last year. So I've been extremely happy the kind of personal attention that you get, and I've been I was really huge and I lost weight and I put on again, and she's helped me to lose a lot more weight now. The more healthy way. I've been a part of many gyms before, but I've never been as happy as I've been over here.
इस जिम में बहुत सारे equipments हैं, जैसे gravity machine, the vibro gym, नए techniques हैं, और Zareen has taught us a different way of working out and looking at exercise differently, जो हमें अच्छा लगता है. And people like me love learning about fitness, तो मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है.
If you have a well-toned body, your scope of roles becomes more, and once you attain the muscularity, the body remembers it. So it's easier then to gain weight and then lose it back again, and you can alter yourself for roles. Like I did with Koi Mil Gaya and I did with Laksh. I gained some fat for the film, and then I lost it for Laksh, and then I gained some muscle for Krish, and then got leaner for Dhoom. So it just keeps you more versatile.
I think आजकल सभी लोग बहुत ही conscious है. लड़कों को सबको 6 pack, 8 pack बनाना है.
It's not important to have a 6 pack as long as you have a trim waistline. That's fine.
आजकल Bollywood heroine इतनी fit है. I mean, the weight loss Kareena showed is completely fantastic. I think pressure सब में है कि fit रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I do my functional training here. I do my weight training mostly in gold, and I do my cardio in a mixed format. I do it here, I do it there. So I'm a kind of person who works out in many places. I sometimes work out at home also.
I think Bipasha is looking her best ever in today's day and age. I mean, the way her body is looking, you see the promos of race. She comes here every morning. I meet her quite often.
Well, मैं अभी माँ बन चुकी हूँ, and यहाँ पे आकर Zareen's really kind of pushed me. एक बहुत strict diet follow करवाया है उन्होंने मुझे, और हर अलग दिन she's given me a different workout, which is really fantastic. अगर आप 15 साल के हो या 25 साल के हो या 60 साल के हो, I think fitness बहुत ही important है अपनी life में.
Actors पहले इस पे concentrate नहीं करते थे, आज के ज़माने में concentrate कर रहे हैं. So I'm very happy.
I don't think there is any best. You can have your personal choices, but as long as you're healthy and you have a trim waistline, that's enough.
I think Akshay's lifestyle is an inspiration for everybody.
It's difficult to say because everybody has different kinds of body, but some of the really good bodies are Hrithik, Akshay Kumar, Salman. These are the people who have photographed really well.
I don't have the best body in the industry or in the country.
Simple rules that I follow: don't drink, don't smoke, wake up every day, go to the gym, eat right, have a good healthy lifestyle, and I think all your problems are solved.